So, without further ado, I'd love to invite our first speaker, Elizabeth Ripley with the Mat-Su Health Foundation. Would you like to kick us off?
Yes, thank you, Allie. Good evening, Interim President Pitney, Chancellor White. Thank you for taking time to hear concerns of Mat-Su residents with respect to our beloved Matanuska Greenbelt. My name is Elizabeth Ripley, and I serve as CEO of the Mat-Su Health Foundation, which shares ownership in Mat-Su Regional Medical Center and invests our share of the profits back into the community through grants and scholarships to measurably improve the health of the Mat-Su population. Education is one of the top 2 determinants of a population's health. The more Mat-Su residents with some higher education, the higher our health status. If we increase the number of people in Mat-Su with some college, we will literally see our diabetes and mortality rates go down. Therefore, we actively support the University of Alaska with contracts for services, project grants, and almost $600,000 in scholarships in 2019 alone. In our workforce development focus area, we incentivize people to move from vocational to professional credentials requiring college. We engage local employers to ensure your students have clinical placements during school and jobs when they graduate. We know you're under pressure to reduce your budget and generate revenue, and we're trying to be a good partner to you in every way possible. Besides education, environment can improve or harm a population's health. We endorse environmental strategies that help people make healthy choices. In every Mat-Su Community Health Needs Assessment, residents said our clean environment, access to wilderness and nature, and outdoor recreation opportunities help them be healthier. Research shows time spent in parks, green spaces, and nature boosts health and well-being. The Matanuska Greenbelt provides this centralized access in the core area of Mat-Su. The foundation granted funds to facilitate this stakeholder meeting to share how the community uses the property, ways the university could generate value outside of gravel extraction, and how we might create a win-win for the university and Mat-Su residents. The last Mat-Su Borough Economic Development Plan clearly states that the future of economic development in Mat-Su is in professional technical services, not resource development. The foundation purchased the 35 acres around Mat-Su Regional 2 years ago. We are drafting a master plan for this property that preserves green space, generates income, and increases access to services that build health and wellness. For the last 4 years, we've discussed creating a medical education district with the borough and university officials across this property, from the hospital to Mat-Su College. Think of the possibilities in this medical education district that also preserves essential green space for our citizens. With all the brilliant minds here, I think we can chart a path forward that generates the needed income for the university and preserves meaningful access to the Matanuska Greenbelt for the health of our citizens. We are happy to work with you toward that end. Thank you for listening.